where I go to go so that they go know me outside school.
Yes.
Because as at that period,
but
me I
that
don't
time,
blow
when
for
you
inside
dey
school.
Okay, yeah, we want to ask when you dey for school, you don't dey sing, they do everything.
I don't the hype. I dey hype to people.
Yeah, we'll
song.
talk about the business of hype later. Yes, because
Yes.
I know say you come from through that way.
Yes. So I dey hype for school. I mean, go you like today, just say TOBY SHANG. They go tell
Everybody
you say
know.
they know me. So when I finish school, I get this fear. Say, people know to know me outside school. Now me they
Yes.
run the town of Unilag, but I never run
You never
Nigeria.
run outside.
Let alone say I won't run Africa and the world.
Okay.
So 2019, I can't hear say Naira Marley won't do show for Ibadan. So I can't message the person we be say na him they give
Like
the show,
organizer or
the organizer.
something. Yes.
The person come tell me say they don't get hype man, no, they don't get everything. No, say me as I dey like this, if I come, I go cater for myself, my transport, my hotel, my everything. Him come say and they no too get minutes for me. Say they just have 15 minutes for me. I
Okay.
say no wahala, na 15
plenty
minutes.
minutes,
Now here I call my manager, I call everybody. Oh yeah, let's go to Ibadan. 3 of us. Now we enter Ibadan, we lodge ourselves. So early in the morning, the show na 4. Early in the morning, 10 a.m. Now we go the venue, go the arrange with them so that they no go forget to say, oh boy,
We go perform here.
we go if you no perform, something go happen. Oh. So we dey follow them. As they say, make we no carry speaker. We say we go carry am. Make una dey know say so that if on our
Almost see the hustle.
so that if on our chop people eyes in the course of the show, I go remember say this were part of those people that
Yes.
organize the show.
Yes.
So as we finish around 1:30 to set up. So the show supposed to start 4. We go back hotel. Me I no gree sit down for hotel. I come out. I leave my managers for hotel. They bath. 3 o'clock. Me I don't come sit down. They come meet me 3:30. 4 o'clock. I enter the stage. The hype man, we supposed to host the show. No come.
Ha! It's still the Lagos. You never come Ibadan.
You know come Ibadan. So there be 2.
Okay.
The main hype man no come.
Okay.
The supporting hype man come 4 hours later where I don't start the show. So in come 8 o'clock. So
and you don't start.
Me, I don't do 4 hours on top stage. I don't see
Somebody was supposed to do 15 minutes.
15 minutes, just 15, 1 and 5. I do 4 hours. After I don't do 4 hours, after the guy enter stage 8 o'clock,
Yes.
like 8:10, not even up to 8:10, I mean all the crowd begin to the stone pure water. Say me they go bring that,
Bring you
bring
back.
TOBY SHANG back. Go and bring TOBY SHANG back. As at that period, now we second singer say yes, we are here, we are in the building. So as at that period, I come to say I can't tell them say I'm done. Say I say you cannot go. You want to end the show because as at that period, why the crowd they chose something for stage? They say
Yes.
Naira Marley never even
He
come.
never show.
But they ask the guy vital question. You know, there's a way you diplomatically answer the
Answer.
crowd. You have to you see. Malian crowd different from other crowd. If you don't give them what they want at that period, they will scatter the show.
They react immediately.
So as they ask him, he say shut up. Say, he said if you to tell them say now Mali is in the building. You know just won't come out now so that they will come. You dey prep ground. So something of that. As I enter back now, I tell them say I just go follow Naira Marley talk. Now they shout say Naira Marley say me they calm down. Saying they come out. Now everybody just calm down back. Then that is how I did the show. After the show, Naira Marley started asking who is this guy. And so I become Naira Marley hype man.
What?
I become Naira Marley hype man for 2019.
Yes.
He begin to carry me go show. They give me money.
Yes.
Then 2020.
Okay.
I started recording my own jam. You understand? Because all these things it did body before.
Yes.
When Kiss Daniel released Madu that time, now I get Zaddy of hype.
Okay.
I hype on top Chris Daniel song. The thing go viral. So I can't look say this one will be say I go they talk lamba, I go they hear am everywhere. In the long run, they go come talk say who be the originator
Who be the guy?
of
Who be
this
the guy?
thing.
Nobody
So,
know who the guy be.
oh boy, make I the enter studio, put my lamba so that because if I sing Fireboy now, you go know say na Fireboy.
Okay.
So I can't begin to dey put my lamba for beat so that they go mix am so that anybody will talk anything like that anywhere, they go know
They don't say take am from you.
he take am from me.
Awesome.
So make you know for loss now why I start.
Wow. And then we go talk about Run This Town before we talk about updates. The boy there everywhere now. TikTok, Instagram, every social media platform. You know go fit miss am. TOBY SHANG. And yeah, the manager don't they follow me up. You don't they see all the videos, but you know have a love.
You dey see am and you don't update me.
Yes. And now you go fit send any question where you want to ask them. I like when people get genuine kind of story, the background of how they come, how they don't arrive at where they did now. You see everybody that shout about TOBY SHANG, TOBY SHANG. But now make I also ask you, where the inspiration for this Run This Town take show? I understand you be the run Unilag, and later I can't look. I'm like say, okay, no, I guess really run the whole town. Tell me when the birth of that song.
Run This Town. If you check my kind of song, I'm this type of person. I don't believe say anybody get the audacity to define you. you go define yourself, whether fat, thin, tall, rich, poor, no matter how it is. Now you be the architect of your life. Now you see they run the town of your life. See, whatever people tell you, say as at that period of time, they say I dey make noise when I dey hype. Some talk say I no look like hype man. Say why hype man no go get big stature? Naturally, I suppose fat big,
get
so that
power,
when I dey fly for stage, everything go dey fly with me, you know. But run this town basically, where I get am from be say, no matter how you are, just appreciate when there's life, there's hope. You are one of one. Nobody can do it like you. Nobody fit do am the way you dey do am, except they just want imitate. So no matter what it is, you fat, you small, you short, you thin, you no get money, you get money. Now you still dey run this town. When there's life, there's hope. So run your town. You know?
All right, Lagos. Somebody said, Cheche, I cannot believe this guy is on Spotlight. You best believe, darling. You know how they run Spotlight. We they gather from even across Africa. Name who you never see for Spotlight on top of Wazobia FM here. And Lagos, we then move on to hear the song Run This Town. And after we hear that one finish, we will also update you. You hear right. My name is Cheche Smith with Toby Shang. We day on top Spotlight. They walk away.
Official rage. This guy, he don't try for me.
A chop with.
Even if I don't give him anything, this guy they always come true because he believe in the boy. So rage, shout out to you anywhere you have, my brother. Much love, you know.
Rage don't blow be that. They go begin to look for rage now. Okay, yes, I see you. We did live with a stream on Facebook, so make you drop your questions them so that I'm on make sure say I read them. Somebody don't already reach out. He said, please tell me, are you still doing hype and do you train people?
Basically, I don't know. I want to speak English, but we can
make it speak pidgin.
Wait till happen we say I no be musician. I they always tell people that they always ask me say when I realize say I sabi sing. I know they sing. You can't compare me. You know if you compare me with the likes of all these musicians that have this sweet. I do hype music on sound. So instead of me to go events, they do these things. Where other hype men go carry talk before you know you don't lost, you don't know who get them. I go don't put them.
So you they assemble them together, put them together to feel make them like put your signature on them.
Yes, that is why the kind of sound I do is called Afro hype.
All right, make I also see this one. Cheche, whoa, blow my mind. You bring TOBY SHANG here for TikTok, man. The guy they fire, and you know, send a spotlight with it, and they must always show up. Okay, Cheche, thank you so much. Put the phone line on. We want follow Amian, una go follow Amian. But make I also read more messages on top. Facebook now. Hi, Facebook family, a whole community for there. We hello now. David Bassi, make it drop small. Make we feel I'm here. It go drop. Nice one, Cheche. Mr. TOBY SHANG, when you they add no, this one they add for girlfriend. No, you never reach like that. Person will just start. Nah. TOBY, I better do your style. I say your style is special and they better do that style.
Thank you.
Cheche the boss lady, thank you for bringing him. Well done to Wazobia FM. Nice one, TOBY SHANG. And somebody also they talk say, TOBY SHANG, will you they plan to feature Naira? No, but Naira voice there for.
I don't feature Naira. I know
already.
they plan to feature. Now to drop video, make it show.
When they plan, when we are plan to drop video.
I want drop around this town video first.
Okay.
So if I don't drop around this town, I go drop.
It can be like say you can't staff people. Why? Make I even ask you why run this time video never dropped till now? You want to create video by yourself. By now, it be like say the concept will come be to gather all the video where people don't do already. Whether they run the town.
Are they think I'm because some of the videos I go actually message some of those people. I go message them say I want to shoot to let's put it up. But we are dropping around this town video this month. We're shooting and we're dropping this month.
Wow. And more messages still there here for you. I be Hypeman. God, I feel goosebumps on my body about this guy. What's he coming? What's in the goosebumps coming? Okay. Nice one, boss lady. Cheche, well done. Thank you. TOBY SHANG, please make it freestyle inside the building. Okay. First of all, make we start with hype. TOBY SHANG, just give us like a hype in the building. First, just hype. I don't know what you want hype. Maybe run this town. Maybe Wazobia FM. Maybe anything. And maybe people just feel you. Raw, undiluted in the building. I set him up.
Okay,
hold on. Somebody said they are running. Digital, they are running. They are running to come capture you.
Okay, I don't wait.
Well done, Digital. I got you people right. Yes. So give us. I don't know what you want to do, but just do your thing.
Okay, now I can make you scream my name. Excuse me. I can make you scream my name. Oh girl, give me that star. Hey, because of hey, you want the idea. You know we are on radio, so we can't say too much. You get me?
Yes,
so that's what it is. So I can also say money day Wazobia, make una give us updates. Money day everywhere, make una give us updates. Everybody now, updates, make una give us updates. Oh yeah, come follow me now. We dey run this town. Just few Michaels Wazobia now. We dey run am. Now we dey run am, so we dey check am.
Nice one. Thank you so much, TOBY SHANG in the building. I will go still run this town, but I get more messages. Now make we move on to some other things what we got to talk about. From the songs down where we say you don't do already.
Yeah.
Where come on, you they plan to like do maybe an EP or something or album. You know, maybe some people go down there call you for phone, they tell you things.
Yeah.
Or maybe a manager now.
I get majorly. I don't drop one EP last year.
Yes.
I don't drop one way I call Believe the Hype. I get chop on like palliative. Work don't start. I have the one that blew with DJ KYs. You don't know KYs. You don't know Toby Shang. You know the rest. You understand?
Okay.
So for this year, it depends on my mood though, but it's back to back. I said it in Run This Town already. Give them back to back. After this one now, I have a jam with Lekon.
You don't like say don't they leave your pigeon small. Come back again.
Okay, I guess song with Lekon.
Yes.
I guess song with Pokoli.
Okay.
I guess make I no mention everybody, but man, now
evidently
back to
the
back,
one.
you get now back to back. I they give on this year. So after this updates now, once I drop the video of Run This Time, I drop the video of updates by the Spirit. I feel just give on a EP straight up.
Aha! And we're there here to make sure we run am with you.
Yes,
Thanks,
sir.
boss lady, for giving us this opportunity to have a great personality within our midst. Toby Shang, brother, you're highly welcome. You really make sense. Your vibe, and they say they love you.
Thank you.
Okay, man, they're not rich. Toby Shang in the building. I be student of Unilago. I hail.
Oh yeah, now
All
greatest right. I see on.
All right, boss lady, Toby is the future of Nigeria. The vibe is too much for him. Keep going, bro. Maria from Sulere, they hail you. Hi, Cheche Smith. Me, I am CY Galaxy from Ogba. Okay, thank you for this message. But of course, sending love to you, Toby Shang. Toby Shang, please, when you there come, why you not come O2? Okay. Toby Shang, plan
That
for
time
O2.
I actually go chop amala. Before I come back, I can't sleep. As I just come back, I just hear say the show don't finish. It paying me. I did there now.
Okay, I know you're waiting. Toby Shang talks about. I believe so. I hear him. Toby Shang, we could talk about hype, and now the business of hype. Yes, I need to call him the business of hype because it don't become a thing. It don't become where boys now serve there.
They hustle.
When I need to give us updates, money there this hype.
Make una give us update.
Oh! Toby Shang, give us updates on this hype matter. It can't be like so now they disguise, but now they pack for there.
But make a new life for you. You don't tell where I don't they give updates since 2019. I don't they give updates about this hype. In fact, because immediately where I meet Naira Marley, say people know they like pay hype man. They're gonna tell you say they won't give you platform, they won't expose you to the world. They get budget for everything except hype man. So majorly at the beginning they know they pay me. So now my association with Naira Marley as at that period where they don't just say this one a Naira Marley hype man and he get some kind of money when Naira Marley don't give me. We say if you invite me for show, they give me money. I go to use that one the whole body till the one we go pay me go come. So after that period where I get association with Naira Marley, I do School of Hype. Toby Shang School of Hype.
Oh really?
Yes, I have over 20 students we come.
What they learn this side? Now I can't give me updates.
No, I just now why they tell you say don't tell me I don't they give updates.
Okay.
But I never do the one of this year.
Okay.
So 2019 as we do a lot of people come, we teach them the way they're supposed to relate with crowd. Some people go talk say if you don't make noise you will die. I mean, you see that crowd where you tell say they go die, and then you stone break your head first.
But Marco reason Africa, the business of hype from Nigeria to Africa, and I don't want to talk about the world at large.
Okay, the business of hype now be say hype men now you pay them or you no pay them or they will still make their money. I mean, we get with you, we go talk. We say even you, we say we get money pass, you go still give us money. You see, happiness is free.
Yes.
And me, I feel say hype men now they don't come to the realization. I talk one thing long ago. Say, if you be artist, if you just go club, just go badun.
Yes.
Just listen to the hype man, listen to the vibe.
Yes.
You feel make song out of the vibe. Ooh. We done the waste vibe for years. We will just go club, and song about vibe. If you don't get the vibe, you can fix the lyrics.
I don't drop plenty updates where artists will come the club say don't copy go
they don't chop updates. They don't chop because no matter how you stay on the mic for 4-5 hours, you sometimes now I have over just this year over 20 hype jam where I don't record.
Yes.
Sometimes if I dey hype, I dey do mistake. They talk some of them. I'll just chop them back because. As a period with me, I never know the hype business.
Yes.
I will just a job vibe anyhow.
They go.
Vibe they lost.
And people they pick them,
they pick them. And if they don't pick them now, if you can't come out and say, is my you know the way it works now. Now person will use and blue now matter. Person will first talk and no be waiting with one chop. Now person way that they chop and like
blue.
So now everybody should be conscious of their material. You understand? Even though
intellectual property.
Yes. Be conscious of your material, because no way you won't defend yourself, say now you first talk am.
Yes.
Because some of the things where I talk, if you see, sometimes some of them know they yarn from me direct. Another person go yarn from me. They go yarn from that other person will yarn from me. Another person go yarn from that one. So by the time where one can go use am, when you will be saying now you start and come, this one go talk say no yarn for you. This one say go say you see say
you don't be talk.
So now your intellectual property make it try to the put them for jam, so
make
that
you update yourself, make you put us somewhere,
so that you know go dey outdated.
Lagos is still there. Cheche is through. Money that is Lagos. May they give us updates. Oh, okay. A nice song. I love it. Thank you so much. Cheche, please drop contact. Okay. Cheche, I love you. What you're doing in Wazoba. Thank you so much. Toby Shang, you are a talented star.
Thank you.
Keep shining. Toby, you are good and you're talented. I feel you, guy. All right. More messages for here. Oh wow. So this is the guy. Yes, he's the guy.
I am the guy.
Now him be that guy. Toby, now you because you're really running streets, running town, even running the continent now.
Thank you so much.
All right, Cheche, they enjoy our show. Well done, all the way from Delta. We see you. Thank you for bringing Toby inside this building. Oshe, we go fill out one more, and then I go open the phone line for you to hail him. Okay, maybe just pick few calls. I read a few messages, and the rest you go see him for Instagram. Okay, because money day Lagos.
Make him give us update.
Hello.
Alone, make una dey give us update. Make we self belong. You understand that kind of thing? Thank you so much for Facebook family. We dey stream live for there. If you know say you want see him face directly, go on top Facebook. You go see him there now. For the messages where you dey sending, I go make sure say I read them. I see this one from London. Chai, money day was Obia. Cheche give us update.
ASAP.
I better not talk that kind of thing. No money day town. Bring them here. Now Wazobia go help you calculate the updates. Okay. Hi, Toby Shang. I'm in love with you. Okay.
Thank you.
Guy, your vibe is high. Thank you. Toby Shang, kudos to you. And so many people sending respect and love. Toby Shang, are you in a relationship? See question.
Now the answer is simple. Toby Shang is for everybody. You know already that pretty ladies love Toby Shang. So me, I date for una, for date for me, and I know say una date for me.
It's okay. He doesn't really want to be in one place, so it's for everybody.
No, I date one place,
I don't know what he's saying.
And now with all of una, I date with.
All right, he there one place, but he there with all of us.
Yes.
Well done. Make we see who there on phone line and Toby Shang in the building. Who they there?
Hello?
Yes. Give us updates now. Hello.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Oh, Toby Shang.
Toby Shang, they hear you.
How far am I, G?
I want to sing for him.
Oh, yeah, sing for him now.
Okay. Chilling with the big boys.
Good.
Yeah. I'm writing the latest now.
Now new song.
Oh, I'm saying paradise. It's a lot of sacrifice.
Oh yeah, nah. Bad guy.
Okay, sing the chorus now.
I say I'm chilling with the big boys.
Okay, you're chilling with the big boys. Well done. Hello, Lagos Took Mouth.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Give the best.
Yes, sure you know the fear face.
Now you don't understand.
Good.
See your members, them. Hey, Lagos Took Mouth.
I'm chilling with the big guy.
Good.
All of you that know well for this place. Took Mouth.
Station. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
God bless you, dear.
Thank you.
More grace to do the work.
Thank you so much.
Took Mouth. All right, Chinaza, welcome.
Give them best.
Gege, you know the fear face.
Oh, Took Mouth, Lagos. Who they there? Few more calls, we'll go wrap up. Hello. You need to choke mouth. Hello.
Hello?
Yep.
Sugar.
Lele.
Yes, Toby, I greet you.
I hear you too.
You are blessed for life.
Thank you.
Wazobia, as you come, so you go blow.
I don't blow already. I don't. As I don't enter this Wazobia today, I am bloated.
Hello, Toby Shang.
Aye.
It's too much, you know.
Thank you, man.
Small thing where you do, you know, you say you don't scatter everywhere.
Everywhere they thank elements.
Fire, white fire. God bless your handwork, my
Thank
brother.
you,
Yes.
man. Thank you, man.
Thank you. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Chook mouth.
Hey, brother, we are welcome in our midst. They say thank you.
Thank you. To give you our updates.
Thank you to Wazobia for bringing me. Not too much.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Boss, I hear you.
I hear you pass.
Now you the choir got to be by matters. If you actually sing your song,
No, you know, say happiness. You know, feel for Taylor. You go just dey do.
Sing this song, yeah. Let me spot it.
Nice. You say I don't celebrate a crazy person with your song. Hey, Lagos, check mouth. My last caller. Hello.
Dagba. Gbogbo. Now we still dey run the town, man. Now we dey run am.
Ona get mouth. Somebody say love you, Toby. Thank you for making us proud. Okay, people where they watch on Facebook Live. Cheche, read more messages on Facebook. I go read them when we come back. It go be time to wrap up. Toby in the building.
Let's go.
Wazobia on your radio, Mayi Kuro, Mayi Wale, Apetaku Yisoke, 95.1 Wazobia, check out Wazobia.
Anywhere you see us, show face.
Anywhere where you see us, we show face. You know, send our updates. They showcase for that. Toby Shang still in the building.
Yes,
I
sir.
must make sure I read all your messages complete before you go feel come out inside the building. Hi, watching you live now from Abiyokuta. Cheche, thank you. Toby Shang, share they know the fear face.
Abi, me the fear the face now.
Aye. Cheche, they're very proud to be a Unilag student. He is rounded. Okay. Toby Shang, God bless you. So much talent. And of course, you go reach the highest top.
Thank you.
Toby Shang, just hype 3 times. I beg. Just hype my name 3 times. This one said me they hype your name 3 times. Jesus.
Wazobia na your mate.
Nah, I swear. All right. Hi, Cheche Smith. Just can't stop loving you. You're too much. Well done for bringing. Okay, darling. Thank you. Hello, Toby Shang. We love your vibe. Cheche, your voice add more value. Thank you, darling. Choma from First Stack, I appreciate you for the love for Wazobia, the greatest Akukite in the building. Okay. Hi, Cheche. Please ask him. Does he have plans to feature Wizkid or Burna Boy or Davido? Toby Shang, your question.
Mona, no worry. Everything will fall in place. You get me? Because majorly as we do like this, we are a moving train. You understand? Nobody will stop us.
I swear down. Toby Shang, your face show well for Yanni Shine. Okay? Because what's his handle, Cheche? Sending love from the US. He go tell you before he come up from here now. All right. Toby Shang, how they take relax? Ever they get time? Because if not be hype, they drag you go. They perform from one place to another. Tell me, you never get time to relax? How they take relax?
Majorly, now back to back, but then sometimes I go just off my phone so that I go feel sleep.
Yes, because he got offer.
Because as my DM day like that, I they always talk, and that is why I they always celebrate women. Yes. My female fan base is alarming. I like they're plenty. If I open that phone now, I go don't see like 100 videos.
Manager go don't tire now. Manager, I don't tire.
Me, I go just check and comment. Now you go to do the thing.
Well done, go easy. But you get any? Imagine say you know the hype.
If I know the hype,
what if another thing will go give you that level of joy?
Maybe I go to teach you. I tell you what I will do before.
This teaching they give you joy like this.
Yes, so but money no day.
Money no day.
Now why they find updates?
Money no day teaching.
Make them not give us updates. Because money no day there. So the one when money day, make them give us updates. Like this place now, you see the way people they call in, they go down, they ask for your account number, they give you money all the time. Me, I want day Wazobia to make them call updates.
Why can't they jump am?
You know, say if you know be Wazobia, I know people like Wazobia. So now one day
give them up.
Now why they tell them say she Wazobia na your mate?
I swear, Olegas, you know the vibe does they very natural and sweet. Cheche, I love this guy already. I need to follow him. You've not followed him. You may never get this update. All right, Toby Shang. The video gonna come out soon, and of course, so many people go get to view and everything. But tell me how you they feel looking at the love where people they show you, like you just rightly mentioned when they do the video and everything. But when I ask you, naturally, like originally, you've been start up a challenge for Run This Town, or be just flow. Run
This Town. May I go tell you, it is not organic work.
Yes, I really want to know.
Because Run This Town, I record Run This Town when I go studio, when I collect the beats.
Yes.
Now one take. I know be like song where we say I go stop as I carry the headset for head.
Yes.
I sing and once the way you the hear and so. And the guy mix Sam immediately. Big shout out to everyone's B. He mix Sam immediately. Then he send them to me. That same day, now I put them for TikTok.
That same day.
Then the next day, now I tell my distributor say this song na banger. Release this song. That is December 17th. So, but I no come promote the song because as of December I have because of
yes,
plenty other waka, other one.
Yeah.
So now January I can't come back. As I come back, one of these ladies, pretty ladies I love Toby Shang, say, Toby Shang, I love this song. I want to dance to it too.
Okay.
Then she just danced to it. Just one video. Everybody just come. The thing they organic in the sense that one video exploded within the space of 2 days.
Wow.
After the thing can explode, as at that period, na backside they shake to the song.
Okay.
But every day na new challenge they come.
Yeah, people begin to
because
do different
me now, no be me put the direction say you must do it like this.
Yes.
I just drop song. I just sit down the look.
So people begin to create different ideas, original ideas to feed they run this town. As long as they run the town.
Of course, no matter. See now, what they tell people? Nobody fit define who you are.
Wow.
Now only God fit define you. So Now you still dey run the town no matter how it is,
Thank you so much, Toby Shang. So you come inside the building. Of course, now here it happen. We dey run our own town over here. Cheche, thank you for bringing him. Please let him give us updates on how to follow him. Cheche, your skin is glowing. You already know. Now the updates be that. Toby Shang in the building. I just joined. I'm sorry. It go soon cut out now because we don't dey hear the talk things. Toby Shang, where you come from originally in Lagos? Somebody they ask
okay,
you.
like where I grew up
For
from.
Lagos, yes.
Me I be Sule boy, a young Wheezy.
Okay. Now their gang be that. Cheche, your voice, Ademo Valley. Thank you so much. Thank you, Toby Shang. Thank you for every single person where they here. And where the people go follow you. I know say the song they out. People go feel stream from anywhere at all.
Yeah.
Do their own organic challenge as they like. And then tell them for people where they ask, say they never still follow you, where they go follow you on social media platform.
Okay, normally on I go follow me, but then now 2 jam I get to I no forget updates with Naira Marley.
No, no go run town forget.
I no go run town forget update because I don't drop updates with Naira Marley too. They all platform already, but then we are pushing the 2 at the same time. So if you want follow me, very simple on all platform. TOBY SHANG, no be TOBIO, TOBY SHANG, Toby Shang on all platform, Facebook, on Twitter, on Snapchat, on Instagram, on all platform. That's my handle.
All right. You get any best friend in the entertainment industry?
You get. Now, best way show you win. I be your best friend. Naira Marley.
Naira Marley.
So.
Oh my goodness. Oh, so touchy. I like that. Now the person will show you way. Now be your best friend.
Yes,
Naira Marley. So many people where you don't truly give updates. So many people where you don't show me. Now that same seat where you sit down now, where our guy, the dancer, Little Smart, be also been sit down. They talk about Naira Marley like this.
Yes. So see, the Naira Marley you know is different from the Naira Marley I know. Just take that one.
Ouch.
No worry.
You deserve high five from afar for that. Well done, Toby Shang.
Thank you.
Well done. And continue to give us updates. We love you big. And of course, for the people where they listen, also pay attention. You will catch the recap of this segment on top Facebook, YouTube, Wazobia FM. Catch us everywhere. You already know. We don't even need to tell you. You know, so now Wazobia FM, they run this town.
Yes, so.
And we they run them well gone. All right. Cheche, please don't let him go. He go. Catch the other side of him. We must dance here too. I miss you, Papito, because I for like make you and Toby Shang be dig am out inside the building.
Okay.
For Lagos, I go try my best. Okay. I love that. We they come back. No touch you there. Superstar DJ Indo on the wheels of steel. Run this town.
General